I finally figured out why you guys don't like the Dashing Diva stickers, or a lot of you guys have problems. Look, these will last 3 freaking weeks on my hands, right? Look, it looks like I have a manicure. My fingernails are all different lengths. You can't even really tell because they look that professional. This is why you guys are not like getting on the trend. This is so easy. It's going to save you a ton of money, right? When you put it on, and I'm going to show you guys how to put it on properly. When you put on the sticker and you get the file board, you file down, remove, file down, down, down. You never push it up, because when you push it up, some people will be like this. All the little sandpaper from the file, the sand or whatever it is, go underneath the edge, and it doesn't lay flat like that. Look at that. It doesn't lay flat. That one looks funny because I was just fiddling with it, but it doesn't look flat, right? You can see, like, these are down. They have been on already for like 2 weeks, and look at that. They are down and amazing. They will last for a long time. You wash dishes, do whatever, and they will stay down. So just remember, just go down, do not go up, just down, down, down. And for the next like 10 minutes afterwards, after you put them on, just kind of sit there and rub your edges like this. Push them down like this. You see what I'm doing? Just like that, and they will stay down. Look at that. You can see how much my nails are already grown out. These are amazing, amazing, amazing. It's going to save you a ton of money. And plus, if you didn't hear the news today, they said that all of Europe is banning gel nails because the formula of gel nails is known to cause hormone disrupting things in your body, and perhaps cancer as well. So all of Europe banned gel nails. So hey, these are stickers. They're safe, they're easy, and they're, you know, we're watching out for our health and looking fabulous at the same time. So let me show you how to put these on.
Tray table. Make sure all your personal items are all the way underneath the seat in front of you. If you're sitting next to a window,